Building a website has traditionally been a complex and time-consuming process, often requiring specialized knowledge in coding, design, and content management. Many people find themselves overwhelmed by the technical hurdles and the steep learning curve. However, recent advancements in artificial intelligence are changing the landscape of web development. With tools like Chat GPT, it's now possible to create a fully functional website in under 10 minutes, even without prior experience. This new approach streamlines the process, making website creation more accessible and efficient than ever before. In this section, we'll explore how AI-assisted tools are transforming web development and making it easier for anyone to bring their ideas online. Chat GPT has the capability to generate fully functional, modern websites from just a single prompt. By leveraging its understanding of web technologies, it can produce HTML for structure, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactive features. The output often includes responsive layouts, ensuring that the website adapts seamlessly to different devices and screen sizes. Design elements such as navigation bars, buttons, and forms can be incorporated based on the details provided. However, the quality and relevance of the generated website greatly depend on the clarity and specificity of the instructions given. Clear prompts allow ChatGPT to tailor the site's appearance and functionality to match the user's vision. This makes it a powerful tool for rapid prototyping and web development, especially when requirements are communicated effectively. Refining and customizing your generated website is a straightforward process when using ChatGPT. By engaging in a conversational exchange, you can request specific changes to the design, layout, or features of your site. For example, you might ask for a new color scheme, additional navigation elements, or enhanced interactive components. ChatGPT responds with updated code or suggestions, allowing you to see immediate improvements. This iterative approach makes it easy to experiment with different styles and functionalities. As you continue the dialogue, each prompt helps tailor the website more closely to your vision, ensuring a personalized and polished final product. There are several free tools available that make previewing and deploying your website simple and accessible. Platforms like Codepen and Replit allow you to write and test your code directly in the browser, offering instant previews of your work. If you prefer working locally, Visual Studio Code provides a robust environment for development with powerful extensions. When you're ready to publish your site, services such as Netlify and Github pages enable you to go live with just a few clicks, hosting your site for free. These tools are especially useful for AI-generated websites, streamlining the process from creation to deployment. With minimal setup required, anyone can share their project with the world quickly and efficiently. The journey begins by crafting a clear and detailed prompt for ChatGPT, outlining the desired features and style of the website. ChatGPT then generates the foundational code, including HTML, CSS, and any necessary scripts, streamlining what would traditionally be a time-consuming process. Next, the code is reviewed and refined, ensuring that design elements and functionality align with the original vision. The files are uploaded to a web hosting platform, where final adjustments are made before the site goes live. This rapid automated approach highlights how AI tools are transforming web development, making it accessible and efficient. As technology continues to evolve, the future promises even faster and more intuitive methods for bringing digital ideas to life. As we've seen, AI-powered tools and workflows are transforming the way we approach creative projects and everyday tasks. The possibilities for innovation continue to expand, offering new ways to enhance productivity and unlock fresh ideas. By staying informed and exploring these technologies, you can stay ahead in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. If you're interested in discovering more tutorials, insights, and the latest advancements in AI, there are plenty of resources available to deepen your understanding. Ongoing exploration will help you make the most of these powerful tools and keep you inspired as new developments emerge. Prompt Power Studio offers a diverse range of resources designed to accelerate your creative process. Explore intuitive tools and fast, no-code workflows that simplify complex tasks, making innovation accessible to everyone. Dive into Chat GPT tutorials to unlock new ways of interacting with AI and boost your productivity. Discover automation hacks that streamline repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. The studio also showcases AI-powered web projects, demonstrating how artificial intelligence can be harnessed for practical solutions. By leveraging these resources, you can turn your ideas into impactful projects with greater efficiency and ease. Prompt Power Studio is your destination for transforming ideas into impactful creations. By subscribing, you'll stay informed about the latest updates and innovations in the world of creative prompts. Here, every concept is nurtured and developed, ensuring that your inspiration is always supported. Experience a space where imagination is encouraged and ideas are brought to life with purpose and energy.